of the day, fellow Toastmasters and future Toastmasters. Good evening to one and all.
Good evening.
So, as you have heard the title, I just want to ask you a very simple question here. How many of you know what data is?
Information.
Okay, for those of you who don't know, the pictures, videos, documents, all this information that you have on your phone or your laptop, this is known as data. Now, how many of you here are a victim to loss of data? Have you been at a stance where your hard disk crashed or your laptop got formatted and you lost all your data? How many of you here? I think Christy doesn't have any problems with that. Yeah, I was a victim to this back in school, and this was during the final year of school, and I was quite devastated that my pictures and videos got deleted, got corrupted because my hard disk crashed, and I knew that I cannot make these memories again. So this was quite devastating for me. But then school went on, I joined college, and that is when I got to know that data is never truly deleted. It is always there in the system.
Somewhere.
It is always there in the system. Now, before I tell you about data and take you back to computer science class 101, I'll just give you a simple example of how the data still exists in your systems. Take, for example, this whole room is my computer, and all of you are different locations in my computer. Now, I'm asking the computer, give me the picture of my last Desert Pioneers meeting. I want to see myself. And computer searches through the locations, and it will come up to the location where Hemalta ji is sitting, and she will show me the photo where it is. Now I see the photo and I see that, okay, I'm not looking so good in this. I'll delete it. So I'm telling the computer delete it. So what does the computer do? That location is now empty, and I can take more pictures and store it in that same location. But your photo still exists in the computer. Now, Alan, where is the research for this? How do you know this is true? Did you consult an expert about this? Toastmasters, I am the expert. If someone were to delete a picture from my phone, it gives me a great pride when I show him the same photo the next day.
Yeah.
You cannot delete a photo or a video from my phone. That is how it is. That is how almost all the electronic items work. Now, this is good news for everyone, right? You can be glad your data is not lost.
It is in recycling bin somewhere.
No, even if it's deleted from the recycle bin, it is still there in the system. You can still get it. So this is a happy news, right?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes, it is actually not all happy news. What if you were to give your phone to someone else, your used phone? How many of you have used second-hand electronic items here? Do you know if you're using a second-hand item or if someone has your second-hand item, they can still get all your data? Yes, it's
Even
true.
after formatting?
Even after formatting, it is still possible.
Even mails?
Yes,
No.
even mails. But back in the days, up to a certain extent, this was okay. I mean, it was low speed internet. You can control it to a certain extent. But nowadays, with high speed internets, everything gets uploaded to the cloud. And it is at a much higher risk right now than at any other time. Now, uploading to the cloud is a new thing. It is quite a fascinating technology. If I were to change my phone right now, I don't have to think about the hassle of taking all my photos into one place and copying it into my phone. No, just with the touch of a button, all my photos and videos are there in my new phone. This is how much technology has advanced. But your data is still not with you. There is a difference between you uploading the data and you unknowingly uploading your data. It was founded in a research that that Android phones can still get your data unknowingly. Take for example, how many of you here have seen the Congressional Senate hearing by Facebook CEO?
Yeah,
Did
I have.
Did
Yes,
everyone
yes.
know about that incident?
Yes,
For
yes.
those of you who don't know, the Senate had recently interviewed Mark Zuckerberg
Yeah.
for accusations that he had given all the information of the users to a company called Cambridge Analytica. And this company used this data to manipulate the elections, to manipulate the users. Whenever there's a new app that you want to try out, the user interface is so good, so mesmerizing that you will obviously click yes, yes, yes to all the permissions. And to get a new feature, to get the features which no one else has, you will not even give a second thought to the permissions that you set. You will definitely say yes to everything. But what you don't know is that your data it may go into the wrong hands. Like in this case with Cambridge Analytica. The Guardian called it one of the biggest shams because Mark Zuckerberg is still safe. Why? Because we are the ones who said yes to them. We are the ones who set the priority. We are the ones who set the permission. So your data is very, very important. Do not underestimate in any circumstances what you're giving. You may provide permission to your gallery to get a new feature. But what you don't know is how this can be manipulated. People nowadays believe almost every article that comes out on Facebook or WhatsApp. This is the way how companies actually manipulate you into thinking the way they want you to think. It is very important that we know our data. Thank you, it was